Shit!
Is everything okay, Eric? What the hell are you doing? Eric, stop! Stop, Eric! Stop! Stop, Eric! No, Eric! Wait a second. Don't you normally prank somebody with, like, your money?
Oh.
Eric?
Long time?
10,000 likes on this video, and this will happen with me and my consent next time. Eric, you guys will see in a minute while you read the title and the thumbnail, but with my consent, we'll send it off of this. Go for it. This is a heck of a cliff. Oh, he throws like a 2-year-old kid.
Dude, it's so much further than it looks.
Yeah, guys, like this is actually pretty steep and pretty insane, but 10,000 likes, we will sign Eric up for baseball practice.
Are you okay about baseball? Huh?
There's one. That one might make it.
That's kind of deep.
It's definitely 10,000 likes. We'll actually plan this one out. Well, good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve, and before we kick this video off, two things here. I want to put a disclaimer that this was done in a controlled environment by trained professionals.
That was so professional sounding.
We had a lot of fun. Nobody was even around to get injured. Nobody was even in harm's way. And at the end of the day, Eric, you got me good. You got me good. I hope you guys enjoy the content. And
now I'm shopping for something for my anxiety online. So.
yeah, now Eric's shopping for my replacement Jeep since he destroyed mine. So with that being said, go ahead and roll the footage of what I thought was just finding Eric goofing off. And turns out this is what we got. So roll the footage and enjoy.
Methinks I'm gonna do something stupid. He just got done telling me how much he does not care about this Jeep. We're gonna find out for real if he cares about it or not.
There is.
Like with ice?
I mean, they're cold because it's cold outside, but. All right, guys, so this video is actually sponsored here by Rough Country, so huge shout out to them. We've got their fire pit set here. We've got chairs over here. We've got a cooler, which is actually pretty cool.
Dr. Pepper Zero? I'm not on a diet.
I am on a diet. So huge shout out to Rough Country for sponsoring this. Definitely check them out. The chairs are actually way more comfy than you would ever imagine. And
Awesome.
yeah, they are actually, and that's not just us saying it. They are actually really.
Yes, I'm pleasantly plump and big boned, and I'm sitting in here comfy.
Absolutely. So first link in the description down below will be Rough Country. As always, they do sponsor us very, very hard on the channel. As you do know, the Denali, the Jeep. Oh, I can't show them that project. Oh, I can't show them that one. And obviously the limousine here, as you can tell. There's the tires of the new project. You guys will see that very, very soon. Stay tuned.
I can see it. Project, it's right there, look.
Yeah, we can see it.
It's right there, look.
Yeah, we're not allowed to show them.
It's really cool, man.
It is cool. Also, shop update video coming very, very soon as you see something over here that works.
That jump pack was fully charged.
Yeah, what's it? Fully charged for a freaking go-kart?
Go-kart battery.
I had it fucking charging up here on the fucking battery overnight. It's definitely not charged.
Oh, my body's getting wet fast.
telling you, this is. All right. Where's this guy at? That's gonna be the one right there. Yep. Oh, you are in so much trouble. He's gonna kill me. He might actually kill me. I don't know. All right. That's it. Tired of this thing. Tired of it. It's gotta go. Probably about 40 feet. I'm about to launch this piece of shit off this cliff.
All right, well, I think Eric's actually out playing around in my parts Jeep. As always, we're gonna go look for him here. He's always messing around with this thing, and I don't actually care because obviously I bought it for like the farm use. So we've been out here like just wheeling it and having fun and doing whatever. But he's always out here playing instead of working. Man, you took the running boards off of this thing. Now it's harder to get in and out of. All right, so guys, if you don't know, this is Mud Junkie 99. He did end up purchasing the Tahoe off of me, and I love this thing. He loves it. He's enjoying it. But let's see what Eric's up to. I can hear him. Is everything okay, Eric? What the hell are you doing? Eric, stop! Stop, Eric! Stop! Stop, Eric! No, Eric! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, Eric! Eric, are you in there? Eric! Eric, is everything okay? Oh my God!
Hello?
Eric.
Hey! Huh?
You! What did you do to my Jeep?
Whoops!
Oh! Where's my phone?
Hey, I was aiming for the tree. I missed.
He said,
I thought the tree would stop it.
what were you doing?
Nothing. What?
Oh my!
Hey,
What is over?
your GoPro.
Wait a second.
I stole it.
What in the heck is he doing? Is everything okay, Eric? What the hell are you doing? Eric, stop! Stop! Eric, stop! Stop! Eric, no! Eric! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Eric! Eric, are you in there? Eric! Eric, is everything okay? Oh my God! Oh my God! Eric! Eric! You! What did you do to my Jeep?
Whoops.
Oh! Where's my phone?
Hey, I was aiming for the tree. I missed. I
Oh!
thought the tree would stop it.
What were you doing?
Nothing.
Oh my! What is over?
Your GoPro.
Wait a second.
Stole it.
Was this a prank? Because I see your phone now.
Wait a minute.
Did you just prank me? Oh my God! Here I am having a damn heart attack, and you pranked me.
You told me you didn't care too much for that Jeep anymore.
That doesn't mean destroy it.
I just made it a convertible.
I can't tell if I'm upset or not. A filter. The headlights popped
Where the hell
out.
was that at? It wasn't on the engine.
I can't tell if I'm upset about this or not. Like, so this was just a prank. Wait a second. Don't you normally prank somebody with like your money?
Oh.
Eric, we gotta clean this up at least. Well, now that my nerves are kind of like settled because I know that Eric is okay, which you got me good. I have to admit, he definitely got me good. I kind of don't care about that thing, but I kind of did care about it. Because what I was explaining to him is I was like, hey, this thing is actually like rust free. Everything is solid. Like the rockers were solid. It's pretty rust free underneath, and I was actually going to use this tub for something, but coulda, shoulda, woulda, and I guess it is what it is. So at this point we just have to clean up.
A little more detail next time.
Don't destroy my shit.
Okay.
Unbelievable. I mean, at least at the end of the day we had fun, I think. Did we enjoy this?
I will enjoy it much more if we can start it back up now that it's
once it's back over. All right, Mud Junkie 99, we're gonna use the Tahoe here because obviously all my stuff's back at the shop. I didn't really expect to be cleaning something up right now. We're gonna see if we can't flip it up back over and go from there.
Give her home. Don't be scared. Go, 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 go. Hit it.
Perfect. Perfect. Oh my God, look how short it looks.
Lowered the Jeep, buddy.
Yeah. Unbelievable. That actually came over really easy. You're lucky. That actually flipped over way easy.
Yeah, it's two-wheel drive.
Yeah, two-wheel drive. I told him to do that because I don't have an extra diff. But it did just yank right over, so.
See if she cranks.
Win-win.
XJ for sale. Minor damage.
Yeah, I know what I got. No lowballing.
No low balling. Minor rust, just minor rust right here.
Yeah.
Just a little surface rust.
Slight
Slight
damage.
patina.
Light dent on the roof.
Yeah. Patina in the making.
Primer a little bit.
Yeah. There's another hill up there. Oh boy. He's a little fired up. All right, guys and girls, well, we got the Jeep back here, and it does still run. It does still run. We've got a bigger hill back here, but this video is gonna have to hit 10,000 likes for me to send it off of the bigger hill. Should we go back there and show them?
Do you have that many subscribers?
I don't even think this is gonna get 10,000 views. But if it gets 10,000 likes, we will send it off the bigger one.
Please. It's friggin' huge.
Yeah, let's go back and show it to them.
Yes.
If this video hits 10,000 likes, this is the next one. Like,
Sweet Jesus.
that is a cliff and a half.
Oh, baby.
10,000 views, we'll send it off this straight into the pond. Or we could buy a newer vehicle to do it.
And not throw like a pootie.
10,000 likes, we'll do it.